Welcome back to the InScentive Collection. I be the host, Brandon, and today we are going to Napoli, the House of MPL, mine, Perfume Lab. So far, more impressed with the second half of the fragrance that I've smelled. But one thing's for sure, they are of quality. They are quality, and the fact that they're handmade, I think everybody should get a fragrance that's handmade. There's something special about it. But today we have Vesevo, okay, Vesevo. And I think that it's a fragrance that I keep hearing a lot about. I've never smelled it. I haven't read up on it, so I don't know what we're in for here. Whoa, look at that, it just went crazy. There it is, focus. Camera back on me. All right, so we're not gonna waste too much time. We got space on the wrist. I keep smelling the patchouli, man. I'm sorry. Focus. All right, let's get this on the other side. Vesevo, Vesevo, yeah. Woo, 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 woo. All right, so let's go ahead and okay. Vesevo is a tribute to Vesuvius, a powerful and majestic volcano that has inspired the most beautiful song, poems, and artistic works of my beloved Naples. Orale Napoli! Vesevo is a warm, powdery, and intense fragrance that can represent and reinterpret the undisputed power of nature. Cashmere wood and cotton candy begin the composition to open up the heart of patchouli, cypriol, and incense that sets the character in the base of musk, oud, and wooden bouquet. Or bouquet. Vesevo is the fragrance, is incandescent, passionate, and decisive as my beloved Vesuvius. Combine Vesevo perfume with the matching shower gel, body milk, and body oil, and you will get an unparalleled persistence. So he's letting us know he has other products. In the head, you got cashmere. What is the difference between, sometimes they say head and sometimes they say top? I'm curious. In the head, you have cashmere wood, cotton candy. In the heart, you have patchouli, cypriol, and incense. And in the base, you have musk and oud. This smells like nothing. First of all, it doesn't smell anything like the opening. And secondly, it smells nothing like what's on here. That is wild. It may need time to change, but it's certainly not something that I haven't smelled a million times before. And respectfully, of course. Let's take a look at, oh gosh. Let's take a look at, woody, oud, musky, earth, patchouli, balsamic, powdery, sweet. Yep. That cypriol oil is really dominant. Oh, I've seen this mountain or a volcano. I was supposed to visit this, but I didn't have enough time. Mount Vesuvius. Yeah, man, this like, I don't know if you guys have ever, man, it's crazy looking. I was supposed to actually go to the top of this, but I ran out of time when I was in Italy. Yep, you can see this everywhere in Italy. I completely understand why it inspired a fragrance. That makes total sense. With that being said, I'm not getting the notes, but if you said to me, hey, I'd like to make a fragrance that smells like a volcano, that would be this. For sure. My mentor actually hiked to the top of Mount Vesuvius. Yeah, it's like black volcanic rocks up there and stuff. It's pretty cool. I gotta go back, and that's gonna be at the top of the list. And there's so much to do in Naples though. Anyway, focus. Where are we at here? I'm all over the place. I done lost the thing. I think that it is a fragrance that is, it's ashy. It's ashy. It's a bit astringent, but purposefully. It's purposely astringent. It's not like harsh. It's more like, it's not harsh, but it is volcanic. It seems blackened, a bit charred. There's definitely a very strong wood aspect to it. I wouldn't say charcoal. I don't know, maybe I would. It's very strong. It's definitely a masculine type of scent. I don't know why you wouldn't be able to wear this all year round, because even in the blurb, it says that it's, what, nature? Organic? Or was it the last fragrance I read? Yeah, it might have been the last one. But, yeah, I like this. I like this. I would like to see how it develops over time. Golly, man, that patchouli. I don't know why people aren't talking about this. Sorry, I gotta... These fragrances are beautiful. Like, they take time. Like, they don't jump off the porch. And so I'm very curious to see how this develops. I'm gonna do like a little a blurb and then add it to the front after some time goes by. Yeah, I mean, I don't know what more I can say about it. It's blackened. It's charred. It's a woodsy fragrance. I don't want to say smoky, but burnt. But it's also smooth. Like it started off a little astringent. I think that astringent aspect of it is cutting back. But I do think that it is a bit. There's something in there. I mean, it may be the cashmere, but like there's something in there that is subtle, that does ease you along the transition of the fragrance. That blackened, charred aspect is starting to subside. I don't know how big this house is, but I can tell you that I could see these being very popular. Like, yeah. Good gracious. It's not, again, it's not necessarily something that is like, what's going on here? It's not necessarily something that's gonna blow you away, like you've never smelled this before. But it's well done. It's well done. One second. It's well done. It's a great price. And I also think that there's something about it that's a little... There's something about this that I can't quite put my nose on. Come on, tighten up. There's something about this that I can't quite put my nose on. If it changes much more, kind of like this patchouli, I'll definitely add more to it. But as far as where we're at with this, I think this is a good fragrance. I think it's one of those standards, right? I'll be very curious to see where this is at in the next 10 minutes. So those are my thoughts. Those are my reviews. Like I said, if it changes up too much, they'll be at the front. But if not, then hey, it is what it is. I like this. So far, I like the house. These last three have been, they've been impressive. Especially this patchouli. My goodness. Those are my thoughts. Those are my opinions. What do you think? What have you tried? Let me know. Once again, I am Brandon. This is the InScentive Collection. Thank you for watching. I know one thing for sure. YouTube's making some excellent recommendations right now. Check them out. I will catch you in the next one. Peace.